Welcoming, diverse, stimulating.
Amazing,
eventful, hands-on.
Fun, informative, inspiring.
Energetic.
Emotional, creational.
Spontaneous, exciting, very human.
I'm really impressed by the robotic culture here. When we went to Odense and we saw Universal Robotics headquarters, I really like the close-knit community here and how everyone pitches in, the industry, the government and the university.
I find it very special for a chance to talk to and a little bit work with people from not only different countries but also different language skills, different backgrounds, different specialties within robotics adjacent fields. So it's been really eye-opening and really special, and I appreciate how welcoming everyone has been.
When we went to Copenhagen, we jumped into the water off the platform, and that was really fun. I wasn't expecting to do that. I've never done that before, but doing it in such a unique environment with so many different people, it was really fun.
When I first saw about the summer school, I thought it was an amazing opportunity because I had no idea what to do after. Now there are so many opportunities and I didn't really know how to choose. And now being here, talking with all the people with the exact same problem as me, and even more, getting to talk one-to-one with professionals in the field. If there are super inspiring conversations, I think that's helped me come up with some ideas and make a decision in that way.
It's completely beyond my expectations, because we had a lot of industry visits, we had a lot of professors even talk about how the gap between research and industry, which I feel is something that most universities don't teach you. So in that area, I feel it's a lot of learning for me.
Apart from all the learning that we are getting here, apart from all the industry experience, the lovely people, I think I'm going to take a lot of friends from all over the world.
When I arrived, it felt like I was thrown in a river, but I was swimming in it. It felt a bit chaotic in the beginning, but I started getting the hang of it, and I really liked the spontaneity of all the events and all the interactions, and I felt like nobody was left behind.